In the dark night when the east wind howls around us, and the storm clouds are gathering overhead, the raging waves conspire to confound us, filling many anxious hearts with mortal dread. On these flood tides our confidence is shaken, and our search for safe harbor seems in vain. For we fear we'll ne'er see a new dawn breaking over our beloved homeland once again. On this voyage we have lost dear friends and loved ones, who succumbed to the tempest's angry waves. And though we'll never replace those that are gone, in our hearts they live forever and always. While we mourn all those who have departed, and at times the pain of loss is hard to bear, we will struggle on through waters still uncharted, and refuse to surrender to despair. As the dark clouds at last begin to lighten, we trace an outline of the place we hold so dear. In the distance, on the edge of the horizon, a welcome coastline emerges ever clear. And at last, when we reach our safe haven, we'll give thanks to our gallant crew once more, who battled bravely against the fearsome waves and delivered us securely back to shore. And in the glorious glow of that bright morning, when we greet one another face to face, we will resolve then to cherish each bask in the joy of love's embrace, while the radiant beams of sunlight warm us, bathing us softly in their gentle rays. Then hope reborn will ignite to transform us, as once again we dare to dream of better days. Then hope reborn will ignite to transform us,